Is coffee good for your liver? The short answer is yes, coffee is good for your liver. In fact, coffee has a host of health benefits that are being studied by scientists all over the world. Coffee is known to improve mental clarity, memory, and creativity. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It performs many essential functions, including filtering toxins from the blood and producing bile to digest food. The liver also helps regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. Is decaf coffee good for your liver? There are actually quite a few benefits to drinking decaf coffee. For one, decaf coffee is lower in caffeine than regular coffee. This means that if you're looking for a gentle way to wake up in the morning, decaf coffee might be a good choice for you. Additionally, research has shown that drinking decaf coffee can help protect your liver from damage. So, if you're looking for a healthy coffee option, decaf coffee might be a good choice for you. Keep in mind that all coffee is not created equal. However, be sure to choose high-quality, organic decaf coffee to get the most benefits. Coffee recommendations for liver health. According to Dr. Joachim Fleming, drinking at least 3 cups every day helps prevent liver problems. And if you have hepatitis or fatty liver disease, even more might be helpful. As many as 4, 5 or even 6 cups a day might be helpful. However, not everyone can handle that much coffee without bouncing off the walls, or worse. It can trigger headaches, difficulty initiating sleep, anxiety, and jitters in some people. Dr. Joachim Fleming only suggests going this route if you can tolerate it. Thank you for watching. Like this video and comment your thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more coffee videos.